Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Okay, how you guys doing? Hope you're great. So in today's video, okay, in my previous video I talked about me going to bank to rectify some bank issues, and when I went to the branch that I thought they are still there, so I was told that they have packed out. So today is another day going to bank. Okay, so I want to rectify the problem before the day I will go to the hospital. Okay, so I've finished dressing up. Okay, I'm about going to the bank. In case if you don't know what I'm talking, because if you didn't watch the previous video, you will not understand what I'm talking about. So in case if you don't know what I'm talking about, just go and watch my previous video where I said how much YouTube pay me. Okay, so that in that video I talk about this bank issue. Okay, so that you can understand what I'm saying. Okay, so let me carry you guys along. Okay, so I'm gonna talk to you guys in another clip of this video. Good afternoon, sir. Actually, me bank. Yes. Uh, so guys, I'm done from the bank. I'm going back now. When I'm getting home, I'm going to update you guys, okay? Because this place is kind of noisy. Get back here. To check if I'm going to get some stuff, because this place there is market, not just market, but they sell some things. So let me see if I'll see something to buy. Now you there here? Carrot, how much?
Carrot 200.
Let me see the 200 one. 3 for 500. I want better one. The one way fresh. Like me.
You are touch there.
Don't worry.
Okay, now you are.
I'm recording. Bring this one for me.
This one.
Yes. I want a 3 days here. Okay, go fish all these things too small now.
How much?
Now 500 own I want buy because I better put something for me. Put unjara job. You know get yellow bell pepper. All this one's how much?
See that.
This one na red for your eyes.
Yellow.
This thing wey don die finish.
Yellow like this.
This one how much? Wetin be 300? Mother you dey laugh? I must see 300. How much abeg? I don't know what you're saying. Why you dey call 300 for me?
How many?
You no tell me price. Now if you tell me better, go buy. I no pay. Don't worry. Let me pay for that one.
How much?
This thing cost. Your thing cost.
How much?
You don't get 100 naira old. Huh? Hey. Then card ka ihe agụọ mmiri na-ebu. Card kwa. This one not be 2 for 300. Eh? 2 for 300. Make I buy 2. Wait, no give me. You no be better person. Hey, all this thing no even fine for hand. Though. Hey, see my phone now. I changed the screen guide. Is it screen guide? Yeah, I changed it to. I'll show you guys where I bought it. So the phone is bright now. One more. At least when I make video, it will be bright. See the way my face is sparkling. So guys, I'm back. So I went to bank. Sorry, I'm supposed to change these clothes, but no problem. So I went to bank. They say they reversed the money back. The thing happened on the 15th of August. So they say they reversed it back on 16th. And I did not get the alerts. And I did not get the alerts. And when I checked my mobile app, I didn't see it. you know and I even traced the balance. It was not corresponding, but she showed me. Mama, I had no choice than to come back. When I asked her whether I should print it, they should print it for me, she said no network not to print it, but I shall snap it. You get, they said the money bounced back to my account. They reversed it on 16th. So no problem, it is well with my soul. So guys, I now use the opportunity to get some things. Like you see me buying some things, I bought some things, cha. When you go out and see something you like, thank God I carried small money. You just buy it. You get. So that is it, guys. I'm gonna talk to you guys later. Guys, let me quickly show you guys the rest of the things I bought, okay, when I was coming back, okay. So this potato here, I bought it for 1,000 naira, okay. Yeah, I think the price is fair, okay. So this orange here, I bought it for 200. They gave me 5. They say it's 50 naira, so but I priced for 200, so they gave me 5 for 200. Okay, over here is carrots. You saw when I was pricing this carrot. So this carrot 3 here, like this carrot here, the whole of the carrot is 500 naira. Okay, so I bought this. I later bought this from that guy, the same guy that I bought the carrot from, for 150. This one was the one he cut 300 for me. So later he gave me for 150. So in another place, I bought this red bell pepper and the yellow bell pepper. Okay, so I bought them for 400. The guy said 500, but I begged him for 400. So I bought this one, green pea, a big green pea, for 200 naira. So over here, I bought oha leaf. Okay, each of these oha leaf 250. So I bought 4 of them. Okay, I'll be using it for oha soup. Then here is uziza leaf. I bought the uziza leaf for 100 naira. So these are the things I bought on my way coming back. Okay, at least today did not waste. So guys, don't forget to thumbs up the video, subscribe if you're just coming across my channel for the first time. So guys, I say let me just have this hot soup now before it get cold. Come and join me. I'm not stingy. This is light soup. Mm. Mm. If you want the recipe, I'm going to do it. Just let me know in the comment section. Mm. Mm. Hey guys, say hi guys. Hey guys, good morning, mommy and daddy. It is another brand new day, and mama is set to go to school. Mommy, talk to them, talk to mommy and daddy, auntie and brothers. So guys, good morning. It is another brand new day. So, mama, remove your hand. So we are set to go to school. Sorry, we are set to go to school. Yeah, it's been long. Mama carry you guys along. So today she said, no, mommy, we're gonna talk to your viewers. So, mommy, we're gonna talk. So today she said, mommy, it's been long I talked to your viewers. So today I'm gonna talk to them. It's okay, my daughter. Mommy is speaking for mama. Don't be surprised if it's this small girl that is talking. It's mommy that is speaking. Mommy is speaking for mama. So mama says she's going to talk to you guys today. That she's going to school. And you should subscribe to her mommy's channel. Turn on the notification bell. Mommy, is it not what you're saying? Hmm? Mommy, you're not showing your face. Oh. Hmm? Yeah, what's up? Baby. Did you see baby? Where did you see baby? Hmm? Where? Because I'm not seeing baby. So, mommy, what are you saying? What are you telling them? To subscribe to your mommy's channel. Alright, guys. We're going to end the vlog here. Okay? So, we're still trekking to Mama's school. Remember, Mama's school is not far from the house. Okay? So, we'll soon be there. Just like 5 minutes trek. Alright, guys. If you're just coming across my channel for the first time, don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and also share. I will talk to you guys later in another video. Okay, bye bye for now.